Good morning, Baltimore!
My name is Eileen O'Brien. I hope you enjoyed tonight's broadcast of the Channel Pi News. First on today's agenda, we will review the derivative. Over to you, Erica.
Thank you, Eileen. Before I learn about the antiderivative, we must learn about the derivative. The derivative of the function f with respect to the variable x is the function f prime, whose value at x is f prime of x equals limit as h approaches 0, f of x plus h minus f of x over h, provided that limit exists. Since that formula is very complex, we tend to use this derivative formula, where your function y equals x to the n. To find the derivative, you use the formula y prime equals n x to the n minus 1 formula. Now on to Dan, who will show us an example of how to derive.
Thanks, Erica. Now, to truly understand the derivative, I'll give you an example. Take for this equation, 3x squared minus 5 plus 10. First off, you must subtract 1 from each of the exponents. Then, have all the numbers without an x variable equal 0. Then, multiply the constants by the previous exponents. Thus, you come up with the answer 6x minus 5, its derivative. Back to you, Eileen.
Thank you, Daniel. Now we will hear our weather report from meteorologist Wendy Winters.
Thanks, Eileen. It's a beautiful day outside today. There's a few clouds, but I don't think it's going to rain. Never mind. Back to you, Eileen.
Thank you, Mr. Winters. Now we will hear about antiderivatives from Dylan Murphy.
Oh, hey there. Thanks, Eileen. Now I'm going to discuss the antiderivative. If f of 1 of x is equal to f of x for all of x in the domain of f, finding an antiderivative is known as the antiderivation. Now for an example.
Opposite of derivative. The antiderivative is equal to x cubed plus 1. Add 1 to the exponents, then divide by the new exponents. Add c. And the antiderivative is then equal to x to the fourth over 4 plus x plus c. Back to you, Dylan.
Thanks, Bear. Now for some applications of antiderivatives. Here's Eileen and Erica.
Now let's talk about how we apply the antiderivative in our everyday lives. For example, an object is released from rest with an acceleration of gravity of 10 meters per second. What is its velocity after 20 seconds, and how far has it fallen? Considering that our acceleration is 10, when we make our velocity equation using the antiderivative, we will get velocity equals 10t plus c. Considering that the object started at rest, to find c, we will do 10 times 0 plus c equals 0. Therefore, c is 0, and our velocity is just 10t. Therefore, when we plug in our time of 20 seconds, we'll get that velocity equals 10 times 20, which is 200 meters per second. Our velocity. Considering that our acceleration is 10, velocity using the antiderivative will equal 10t plus c. When we plug in 0, because the object starts at rest, we will get 10 times 0 plus c equals 0. Therefore, c equals 0 and our velocity is just 10t. When we plug in our time into the velocity equation, we will get 10 times 20 equals 200 meters per second. Therefore, our velocity is 200 meters per second. How far has it fallen? Now we will use the antiderivative to find our position. X equals 10t squared over 2 plus c. That's the antiderivative of the velocity equation. When we plug in 0, because the object started at rest, we will find that c equals 0. Now, when we plug the time into our new equation, we will get 10 over 2 times 20 squared, which equals 2,000 meters, the position of the object.
Thank you for joining us this evening on Channel Pi News. We do hope that you enjoyed our broadcast. If you missed any of it, we went over derivatives, learned about antiderivatives, and went over some of its uses in real-world problems. We hope that you will join us again on any given evening to see our broadcasts on math problems in this world. If you missed any of our broadcasts, please join us at www.channelpinews.com and you can catch any one of our videos. That is all for this evening. Thank you, and good night, Baltimore. We hope to see you tomorrow.
Thank you for watching this segment of the Channel Pi News. This show has been brought to you by Coca-Cola and Calculus Cheering. Thank you for watching.
Do you have spirit? Then you should be a cheerleader. Contact Nicole Legere, because we're not very good. We love math! Yes, we do! We love math! How about you?
Have you been waiting for a white man soda? I know I have! Get yourself some Diet Coke right now! Do you want to be a skinny white man? Then get yourself some Diet Coke! Diet Coke, now with no flavor!
I wonder what's on MTV right now.
Wake up in the morning.
Wake up in the morning feeling like Irvin Stringer. Got my calculator out the door, ready to solve this equation. Before I leave, brush my teeth while I'm thinking of math. Cause when I anti-derive, the equation's going back. I'm talking amplitude, exponent, dividing the coefficient, adding C to the last ingredient. But what is the value of C? C, can anyone tell me? Me plug an X and Y and you will see. C. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight, I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick-tock on the clock, but math parties don't stop. No anti-I, don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight, I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick-tock on the clock, but math parties don't stop. No anti-I, take this equation for example so that you can see what we mean by working back and then solving for C. For example, take this x squared and work your way back. When you anti-derive, you will hopefully get x cubed over 3. Now add your C. Plug an x and y with ease. Say that f(x0) equals 13. Make 0 cubed over 3 for C. Now equals that number 1, 3. So C equals the big 13. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight, I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick-tock on the clock, but math parties don't stop. And no anti-I, don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight, I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick-tock on the clock, but math parties don't stop. And no anti-I, you build it up, you break it down. That's the point of anti-deriving. You can do it with calculators fit. You have those skills, that talent. You build it up, you break it down. That's the point of anti-deriving. You can do it with calculators fit. Get those pencils up. Now the math party don't stop till the equations are solved. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight, I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick-tock on the clock, but math parties don't stop. And no anti-I, don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight, I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick-tock on the clock, but math parties don't stop. And no anti-I,